Hi, I'm Mrs. Walker, and I teach English 1 Advanced Honors, and I also have a research class. I'm super excited for this year, and I want to welcome each and every one of you, all students and all parents, to my class. I know we're starting a little bit different this year through virtual, but that's okay. Everything is going to still be as normal as I can keep it, and I love things to be normal and organized. You guys will learn that really fast about me. My first thing is that I really want you guys to become familiar with Canvas. Please, parents and students, watch the videos that they provide, play around in Canvas whenever you have access. I'm not sure when that's going to be, but that is going to be our primary source of communication. That is where I will update things. That is where I will have you guys upload things that are assignments. That's where the grades will be. That is the main hub of information, especially these first 4 weeks. I am going to reach out and have you guys do some introductory stuff for me that will allow me to get to know you, and I want you to take that very seriously. I want to know each and every one of you and who you are before you walk into my room, hopefully that 5th or 6th week of school this year. So please, that very first assignment, take seriously and make sure you do an excellent job and put in there everything that it is that you want me to know about you, because I care about each and every single one of you guys. Okay, as far as what we're going to be doing this year in English 1 Advanced Honors, I am a very much classic author type person. So we are going to start with classic author short stories. We're going to learn about style, we're going to learn about tone, and how to analyze all these different things. As far as second quarter, we're going to be working with William Shakespeare, I know your favorite, and Complete Romeo and Juliet. All right, into third and fourth quarter, we're going to be doing more writing, obviously writing through all of the quarters, but more in third for argumentative, and we're going to be reading Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights, my absolute favorite novel out there, and we're going to be reading Their Eyes Are Watching God by Zora Neale Hurston. So we're going to have a bunch of stuff going on at one time, possibly. Just make sure that you keep up, make sure that you communicate. You're also going to see that I'm going to ask you guys to join a Remind app so that I can communicate in that way with you guys. That's important. My big thing is always going to be communication. My email is, like other teachers, my first name, Natasha, dot my last name, Walker, at sdhc.k12.fl.us. Please reach out immediately if you want with any questions that you might have. As far as supplies, for now, please make sure that you purchase a composition book that you will use as a journal. Also, I want you guys to get those colored pencils, highlighters, and Post-it notes. We're not going to be able to share supplies this year, so when we do come back, right, you're going to have your own stuff. Usually I provide, but that's not going to happen this year. I also want you guys to think about those novels that I just listed for you. If you want to purchase your own copy, that is always advised. There will be links to online copies, and if we are back, which hopefully we will be, you will have a copy provided by me. But I know a lot of students, as well as myself, like to use their own copies. I think that's all that I wanted to say. My room is upstairs in main hall, 223, when you come back. And for now, I want to get to know you through online. And like I said, that first assignment, please, guys, make sure you take that seriously. I cannot wait to start the year. I'm super excited. Even though we're doing this differently, doesn't matter. We're still going to be able to do the reading and the writing and get to know each other just like we would if we were in person. All right, guys, see you soon.